English Yori is the most affordable platform to learn English, and today I had conversation with Tanya ma'am and we learned many idioms and phrases. So please don't skip this video, watch till the end.
And good evening. How are you?
Hello, I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm great too.
Ma'am?
All
Ma'am?
right. Let's look at some idioms. Would you like to?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Um, okay, this is a funny one. So, when I came to the class before that, I was kind of nervous. I didn't
Oh.
know I'm going to meet. I was a little nervous, and because I'm new at English Yari, and I did not know how the learners are going to come up here. So I had dash before I met you.
I had butterflies in my stomach,
That's a nice one. Something else related to, a certain insect.
rats in my stomach, or rabbits in my stomach.
Okay, you could say I had ants in my pants.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah. Yeah.
when you're really, really nervous about something.
Hmm.
Okay. All right. So Arundhati wants to be a billionaire and she wants to be an entrepreneur. So she
Hmm.
works really, really hard. So she dash to become an entrepreneur. What do you say?
Like, what is the meaning here?
That means to put in extra effort.
She's extra miles. She's running for extra miles,
Okay, you can say
maybe.
she goes the extra mile.
Okay, yeah, goes the extra mile.
Can you make another sentence using this one?
Uh, uh, I didn't tell him to do that work, but he went an extra mile by doing that work.
Good job. Okay. And let's say Arundhati becomes a doctor when she grows up,
Hmm.
and she always she becomes a really successful doctor, and
Hmm.
all the patients are really happy with him. Sorry, with her.
Okay.
Okay. And because so as a doctor, Arundhati is able to do what she is expected of doing.
Hmm.
Arundhati can dash.
Deliver the goods. I think I've heard this one somewhere.
Yeah, Arundhati is able to deliver the goods.
Hmm.
That's correct. All right. The next one is going to be, I think you already know about cats and dogs.
Yeah.
All right. So, okay. So, after the accident or after the retirement, the soldier had a dash. So that means he started his life from a new, perspective.
He started from square one, maybe.
Okay. You could also say he had a new lease on life.
Okay, I've never heard of this one. It's the first time.
Yes, he had a new lease on life.
Hmm.
All right.
Okay.
So someone who has been operated on or who has had an accident, and usually it's used for soldiers because they have quite a tough, time.
Yeah.
So after their life changes, so when they come back to normal, they just have a great, you could say they have a lease on life. Okay.
Hmm.
All right, and okay, so Arundhati had a big secret to tell to
Hmm.
her sister, but she was really scared. But at the end, she went there and she, poured her heart out in front of the sister. And
Hmm.
she was not worried at all. She had dash the thing.
She had let the cat out of the bag.
Well, cat out of the. I think that is something else.
Yeah, I think it means revealing a secret.
Yeah, so what I mean to say is that you were really tensed earlier.
Hmm.
But now, since you have done it, you are free. You feel free.
Okay. 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 That feeling. Uh. I cannot remember anything right now.
Arundhati got it off her chest.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, Arundhati got
Hmm.
it off her chest. Okay, let me give you some other vocabulary. What about a person? For example, Arundhati told me that right now, if she were a billionaire, she would, buy all the kinds of expensive stuff.
Hmm.
Arundhati is she spends a lot of money, so she's a.
I think I know this word, but I'm not able to remember it right now. Uh, I don't know. I think it's the opposite of stingy,
Mm,
maybe.
so a person who spends a lot of money is
I cannot remember.
something that starts with S.
Spencer, maybe. I don't know.
We could say Arundhati is a spendthrift.
Okay, spendthrift. Okay.
Yeah. Another word we can also start it with E. There's another word for it.
Expensive? No, that is an adjective or
Okay.
thing.
She is extravagant.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Yeah, I think you must have heard of this, word in a lot of Shakespeare.
yeah.
Okay. And extravagant. All right. What if you talked about your mom, that your mom spends money really, really wisely? She
Hmm.
doesn't. She is not really a miser. She doesn't. She spends money on
Yeah.
the things that are required, but she is always thoughtful about how she is going to spend the money. So she
Hmm.
is what kind of a person? She's always thoughtful.
She is a sensible.
Okay, something that starts with E.
Uh, I cannot remember right now.
Well, you could simply say she is an economical person.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she is an
Hmm.
economical person because she has a good relationship with money and she spends it really wisely. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. And then you, of course, about a miser who does not even
Yeah.
spend money on uh, things that are important. Okay,
Hmm.
and what about a person who doesn't mind spending? They are not lavish, they don't lavishly spend, but they don't mind spending it on the people who they love. Like, let's say Arundhati doesn't mind spending it on a dress for her mom. She is all right with it. She can give it, once in a while. She can give some money out. She can get out some money for her mom once in a while. So Arundhati is a.
I don't know. I cannot remember.
You could just say, she is generous with money or she's a generous person.
Okay.
All right. So
Hmm.
that's all. And do you have a question, Arundhati, before we leave?
No.
None? All right. Okay then. So I hope to meet you soon then, Arundhati. It was really, really nice. And I hope you become an entrepreneur.
Yeah. It was really nice to talk to you. And I would like to say one thing before we go that your hair looks very pretty.
Thank you, thank you. If we meet next time, I'll probably show you. I've got a different hairstyle today. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Arundhati, and hope to see you soon. Have a great evening.
Yeah. Same to you. Bye bye.